a nursery.
Yeah.
As you guys can feel, it's quite warm in here, warmer than outside. Yeah.
Yeah.
So the flies, as I said, they need warm environments, and of course, when they're the fly, they're more susceptible to the shocks in weather. Yeah. So even when they graduate and they become or go back and they become pupae or larvae or whatever, it's important to maintain the limits of temperatures. Yeah? So in here we look to maintain between 28 and 32 degrees centigrade as much as possible to just give them the right breeding environment. Yeah? Again, you'll notice it's quite humid, so we try and recreate that humidity as much as possible. Yeah. So the neonates come, as I said, in containers that look like this. We then sample and load them onto the beds. So the beds is what you can see down here. Yeah. So remember, when they're in the nursery, they are very, very small, like the larvae. Yeah. So our loading density at this stage is like 10 times what you find in the production stage.
Yeah.
That's why when you look around, you see some shelves are empty. That's because eventually what you want to do is convert this into a production facility, which is the next stage after the nursery. Yeah? And then we'll move the nursery into a smaller room. So we're using this pattern. Yeah. Good. So we sample them, we load the beds, and then we manage the beds to ensure that the beds are moist, and we ensure that they're even as much as possible. And then after 4 days, they're ready to be harvested, and then we move them to the following stage, which is production. Yeah. Something we really like talking about is what is behind you. So if you guys could just start. So Damien, yeah. So Damien is our lead in this area. And what Damien and his team do is they're here to control the variables into the process. Remember, this is a biological process. So the same way you guys have dashboards, the same way Damien and his team look at this board every day to ensure that they control the variables. So anything in green means they are doing well. Anything in red means it's something that needs to be addressed. Yeah? So when you go to the bottom of the board, you will see the root cause identification part of it. And as much as possible, we try and empower the teams to solve their problems. And if they can't solve their problems, then they escalate the same to the immediate manager. Yeah? So the whole goal of this is to build each section to be as strong as possible, because the organization then becomes just a collection of sections. So if you have strong Daniels everywhere, you basically have a strong organization. You don't need me or Dave or anybody else. It can just run itself. This is not it. Does you have a question?
I have a question.
Yes.
Is this, you need a strong and happy Damien, or is this the flies?
So from a people perspective, Damien becomes, for example, in each section, Damien is the first leader that people see every day. Yeah? So it's Damien's responsibility to ensure that every person in that section is okay. And there's no point the flies being okay, yet the people who are working to make the flies okay are not okay. Yeah? So Damien ensures that he does the mood check every day, and whatever he can't address also goes into this. Yeah? So that the organization can do something about it. Damien, if you could say one thing, quickly.
Just to add that the mood is not work related. Yeah. It's a personal mood. How have you woken up? How have you find your area? Are you okay? Are you in the state of mind, both body and mind? Are you in the right state to work? Are you productive? How can we help you to read that?
Every day. And also we have to check that each and every person who's working here are fully covered in the right PPE, personal protective equipment. So you have to have your coverall, you have to have your safety boots. Different sections, different matrix, which is we have to set everything in order. Everything has to be sorted. Everything has to be clean and sparkly. So we have checklists that we have provided Damien and his team to help them make sure that the nursery is well organized, safe, and they're able to do their work properly. Yes. So that's what my team does. And then maybe we can...
our young lady, so you can have a nose if you want to. So, come in, stretch. So as you can see, this is the mixture of wheat bran and chick mash. So here basically we normally stay here for 4 days. We take care of for 4 days here. And from that stage of neonate here, so it takes 4 days. From these 4 days it goes to the other area. So before those 4 days there is activity which is normally done. Make sure there is a moisture, also temperature, because temperature should not be so that high, and also moisture should not be so low. So we maintain the temperature. You can see them.
If you guys look closer, you'll see the small larvae, little larvae moving. Yeah.
6 meters. So we normally load them 8 million.
Oh yeah, guys can put this one. It's warm.
Yeah, it's warm.
Yeah.
What were you feeding them here again? Sorry.
So chick mash.
Ready? Yeah.
You can
not feed. Whatever.
8 million of them. And that one container, our babies, when they are small, they feed on soft feed. Yeah. Yeah. That's our soft. That's our maybe our Weetabix.
What's the size of this bin again? From here to there? What's the size?
This is 46 from here to the other end,
Yes.
but we don't normally load it to that. Our here it's about sections. So section, I mean from that,
Yes.
from that to the other. You can see that is 3.61 meters. Yeah. But when it goes to the other end, it's loaded with a full bed, which is 46 meters. Yeah.
And how many larvae?
8 million.
8 million.
Yeah?
So this is then 3 points.
3.61
Okay,
meters.
and the width 1 meter.
Yeah, 1 meter. 1 meter. Yeah.
And 8 million of them.
8 million per one.
So on average, how much feed are they eating per day?
So let's
Have you calculated that?
yes.
How much feed? Yeah, how much feed are they eating every day?
How much feed are they eating every day?
Yes.
So here we are feeding at a rate of 65 milligrams per larvae per day.
65 milligrams per
Larvae per day.
larvae.
And we have millions of larvae. We have
Wow.
8 million.
8 million.
8 million.